Local news for Thursday the 1st of November. Carterton's Dalefield Horse Riding Park is set to open on Sunday. Located at the top of Dalefield Road in the Kaipatagata Forest, the Horse Riding Park is a collaboration between the Carterton District Council, who own the land, Forest Enterprises, who manage the land, and the local horse riding community. South Wairarapa District Council has considered submissions received and resolved to confirm its initial proposal to retain the status quo for representation arrangements for the local elections to be held in October next year. Buses replace most train services on the Wairarapa line between Wellington and Upper Hutt this weekend. Metlink are also advising passengers to allow for extra time as maintenance work continues. And the Heartland 15 play their first game today in Taupo. The team selected from the best of the Heartland rugby unions sees James Goodger represented from Wairarapa Bush. 2 matches are scheduled, one against Fiji, a team Vanua, that's this afternoon at 5 p.m, and New Zealand Marist on Sunday.